At 5 o'clock sharp. At 5 o'clock sharp. But for what? But for what? Do as you were told. Do as you were told. Do you relish these? Do you relish these? Give these here. Give these here. Go to school. Go to school. Got it. Got it. Have a beetle leaf. Have a beetle leaf. Here you are. Here you are. How about this one? How about this one? How can I achieve it? How can I achieve it? How do you like it so far? How do you like it so far? I am in a great fix. I am in a great fix. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. I am just it at all. I am just it at all. I do want it. I do want it. I feel your pain. I feel your pain. I had hoped. I had hoped. I knew it happens. I knew it happens. I let it off. I let it off. I understand you. I understand you. I wish you luck. I wish you luck. I will do my best. I will do my best. I am all for it. I am all for it. In that case, I will wait. In that case, I will wait. Is it all right? Is it all right? Is it really that bad? Is it really that bad? It wasn't all that great. It wasn't all that great. It will be bad. It will be bad. It's a bit bigger. It's a bit bigger. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Look carefully. Look carefully. Okay, ask away. Okay, ask away. Pack the books up. Pack the books up. She will worry. She will worry. She is really pretty. She is really pretty. Show me. Show me. So what are you? So what are you? Then try to follow. Then try to follow. This way. This way. Was that you? Was that you? Whatever it is. Whatever it is. Whatever you like. Whatever you like. Where are you up to? Where are you up to? Who cares? Who cares? Who is coming? Who is coming? Yes, I will. So what? Yes, I will. So what? Yes, no doubt. Yes, no doubt. You flatter me? You flatter me? You sit on that chair. You sit on that chair. Your Highness. Your Highness. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.